All right, top of the morning to you. First cup of coffee, crazy bed hair. Here we go. It's a beautiful Wednesday morning here in Tampa, Florida. Want to show you guys the power of staffing and recruiting, what you can do with this business, how you can scale it, and how you can make a ton of money working from home, not having to go into an office anymore, sitting in a cubicle, listening to a manager. Forget it. All right, so here's the story, guys. Literally, I was walking on my street corner last month. I noticed a company that was putting up we'll just call it a tower, like a telephone tower. They call it a small cell. My staffing business called ConnectGen, ConnectGen.net. I own that staffing company. Look me up, validate me, whatever you have to do. I am in the wireless telecom recruiting and staffing business. Was walking my dog last month, saw two company trucks in the corner. I stopped, I introduced myself with my mask on. We're in the COVID era right now. Had a great conversation with the project manager who happened to be out there with his crew, and we exchanged numbers, and I took a job order from him last month, okay? A job order for a field engineer, a person they needed to do integration and 5G modifications. Within 1 week, I recruited that candidate, locked that candidate down, and I'm going to cover up the company name for their privacy. And here is the check that I received in the mail. This is 25% fee of the person's salary. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up. Really excited. I know you love my hair today. All right, net 10 payment terms. So recruited the candidate, locked him in, and got this payment. I already know what it is, but I want to show you guys. All right, let me hide the company name. Boom, $18,200. Can you guys see that? Boop, boop, boop. $18,200. Yes. So here it is, Wednesday morning. I'm gonna deposit this cheese into my bank, and life goes on. My lifestyle is fantastic. You guys can do the same thing. This is easy. Recruitemy will teach you how to do it. I've set up the back office to teach you how to get jobs, how to recruit, and how to make this kind of money from home. Here's another check. Okay, let's open this up. This is a contractor, or what you call temp personnel, that I place. So every week, I get a check of this amount, around $1,000 to $2,000 for this one candidate that I placed 4 months ago with this company. All right, so let me open this up. I feel like I'm in a game show here. Cover the company name. All right, there it is, about $1,400. Okay, perfect. So, guys, what are you waiting for? If you're a recruiter working for a company right now, do it on your own. It's easy. I can show you how to do it. If you're somebody who's looking to start your own staffing business, again, I give you everything you need, the templates, the cold email scripts, operational, how to set up your operations, okay, how to get requisitions, how to talk to hiring managers, how to get your company off the ground. I have started 3 staffing companies. I've scaled them. I've sold them. I work from home. I travel. I'm in a beautiful penthouse here in Tampa, Florida. I answer to no one. I play tennis during the week. I work out. I'm going to Tulum next month. Life is good. Let me show you how to do it. Let's get this moving.